What's up guys, Country Guy with Camera here. Doing a quick tabletop and first look at a new Taurus handgun today. The Taurus TX22. Weapon has been safety checked prior to the video. First initial thoughts. It's extremely lightweight, 17.5 ounces or so. It's the same size as a mid-size duty weapon, which is really nice. Trigger has a little bit of take-up, a crisp break, and the reset is really short, but I'm using one hand. The safety is ergonomic and very positive. It's also ambidextrous. Slide stop, slide release is where it needs to be. Magazine catch is for the full fire grip, easily actuated. It is reversible. Picked this up at my local gun shop for $309.99 plus tax. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. You get your owner's manual, which is actually quite intuitive. You get this neat little magazine loader, which actually helps when loading 22. The idiotic cable lock almost no one I know uses. We'll come back to that. You get two 16 round magazines. Yes, 16 in a rimfire. That's awesome. This little metal piece we said we'd come back to. This thing is suppressor ready from the factory. Check this out. It's threaded. Simply unscrew the factory thread protector. Install this on really quick. Give it a tighten. And now you're ready for a can. We'll have another video as soon as I go shoot it. Thank y'all for watching.